The key to greatness? What is the key to self-esteem? What is the key to getting honors and trophies? To put on the mantle above the fireplace. What is the key to receive great respect? What is the key to all of that an extraordinary life? And here is the answer that was given in a capsule form. According to the storyteller, the answer was find a way to serve many people. To serve many people. Find a way and start rendering services or service. The more you serve, the greater your fortune. Service to many leads to greatness. Kasi kung makikita natin, ano ba yung greater purpose ng life natin? Ano ba yung pinaka-main purpose ng buhay natin? The greatest purpose of our life is to serve God. And once you serve the Lord, lahat ng bagay ay magagawa mo. Serving many people, serving those people who hate you so much. You can serve them because you love the Lord. Walang tinatangi, walang pinipili. At sabi nga doon, makukuha mo yung great respect mula sa ibang tao. So, if you want to be great, you need to start right now. Sabi nga doon, you don't need to start but you need to start to be great. So kung gusto mo na maging great ka at magkaroon ka ng magandang legacy na iiwan dito, then be an example. Don't ever lose hope and trust the Lord that give you all the needs that you want, or all the needs that you have, you need, all the needs na kailangan mo magamit dun para maparangalan yung Diyos. So, we need to trust the process, trust the Lord, at patuloy natin ay pagkatiwala lahat ng ginagawa natin sa Kanya. And once you start servicing many people, it leads to greatness.